The Boeing Starliner successfully landed at the White Sands Space Harbor in New Mexico, but due to ongoing issues, it returned to Earth unmanned, marking another low point for Boeing, especially as SpaceX continues to reach new milestones. SpaceX plans to launch its Polaris Dawn mission on September 9th, marking Crew Dragon's 14th manned flight. This private space flight that will not involve NASA in either crew or mission and will attempt to reach the highest Earth orbit since Project Gemini in 1966. SpaceX will manage the mission on behalf of Shift4 CEO Jared Isaacman, who is responsible for securing funding for the $52 million Polaris Dawn mission. Isaacman is also expected to perform most of the spacecraft's flying due to his long experience as a pilot. 3 rookie astronauts, Scott Petit, Sarah Gillis, and Anna Menon, will accompany Isaacman. They will be the pilot and backup to Isaacman and will be the first time Crew Dragon has carried out a spacewalk, which is expected to be conducted at an altitude of 470 miles, 756 kilometers. The mission also marks the debut of SpaceX's new extravehicular activity, EVA spacesuits, which are an upgrade from the current intravehicular activity spacesuits used on all other Crew Dragon space flights. SpaceX hopes that the Polaris Dawn's first test of the SpaceX Starlink laser-based communications system will pave the way for future space communications, including those to the Moon and Mars. The mission goes beyond the exhilarating experiences of Blue Origin's New Shepard launches, as it incorporates real-world practical applications and exposes the crew to increased risks during and after the flight. If Polaris Dawn fails, it will lead to the grounding of Crew Dragon for an investigation. And with the last mission failure of Boeing's Starliner, NASA would have to start hitching rides again to the International Space Station from the Russians.